Are you getting answers from a Google form that aren't what you needed? Maybe a phone number when you asked for an email. Did you want a short description and they wrote way too much? Want to make sure the 7-digit code you asked for is really 7 digits? Take control of your form responses before people fill it out. Set up data validation for your form questions in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to set up data validation in your form. Let's get started. In a form, for questions like paragraph or short answer, click on the 3 dots, More Options, then Response Validation. From there, you can dictate what you'd like the response to be, like a certain number, format, or even limit the length. You can even create your own error message like, "Hey, that's too long, I said 100 words or less." The user cannot submit the form if they do not fit within your specifications for the answer. So there you have it. Add data validation to your form questions in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.